ACA Pinoy is a federation of organizations of persons with disability and support groups that includes parent groups to promote yung rights and other concerns of persons with disability. That is the primary concern or purpose of ACA Pinoy advocacy.
We are preparing a society that is friendly and enabling for all its citizens, including those who have disabilities.
I feel insecurity, inferiority, depressed, hopeless, lack of confidence, and sometimes out of place.
Because they were called disabled, talagang they feel themselves useless.
Depression is normally, even the normal people, but it hurts for us na PWD, idiin nila na walang silbi.
We are in limbo. We do not know how to handle it in the first place. We worry in the long run about their future, children with disability, the expenses in maintaining our special children and maintaining their education and medication. We are also worried about the community acceptance. We feel that our children will not be accepted by someone, all being disregarded, all being discriminated.
Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disability. Ito ay na-adapt ng United Nations and ratified by the Philippines, and the convention entered into force last May 3, 2008.
Na para ma-implement is yung Republic Act number 9442, yung 20% discount on the PWDs.
Minimum requirements for accessibility, rule number 2. Design criteria, o eto na tayo dyan. Yung mga dinidiscuss natin kanina, in advance natin, no? Categories of disabled persons. So may kategorya pa pala, no? The categories of disability dictate the valid measures to be adopted in order to create an accessible environment for the handicapped.
Will not make a program unless you ask for it. That is why you are organized, you are a parent, you are a group of PWDs. You have to let them know your needs.
We have to be committed. So essential po that we are committed members of an organization for us to also become effective advocates. And in addition, of course, if we are a member of an organization, definitely we have other people to rely on. So they will help us in planning, in implementing our advocacies. They can help us in sourcing out funds for our advocacy programs. Right? So there are more hands and there are more heads working together as one in coming or in getting or in achieving the changes that we want to have in society.
Coming together is the beginning, and keeping together, keeping in touch, there is progress, and working together, there is success.
First talaga na reaction mo is yun nga, eating. Pero as I was growing up, actually ina-erase ko na yung reaction na yan eh. What I really feel for people na PWD is more, nasabi ko naman sa inyo kanina, is more of admiration. I admire them because of what they've gone through. I admire them because of the struggles that they have triumphed over. Ganon. Tapos inspiring sila.
We believe now we have a long way to go to achieve our vision of an enabling society that promote quality life for persons with disability.
1 foot step. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a 1 step. Di ba? Oh.
Non, lui, c'est le type au parapluie. Je le reconnais maintenant. C'est lui, c'est bien lui. Il était à quelques mètres de moi en bas dans la foule. Moi, j'étais avec les autres sur le passerelle. Du coup, je l'avais pas remarqué. C'était directement les autres. Et puis, juste au moment où on a tiré sur le président, ou peut-être avant, je me rappelle plus, flap, il a ouvert son parapluie.